The natural cultural landscape of Transylvania hosts hotspots of plant and insect biodiversity in Europe. The species-rich meadows are the result of millennia of traditional land use in perfect communion with nature. In the last 25 years, traditional extensive land use activities tend to be replaced by intensive use on large areas or abandonment. On unused or abandoned areas, bush density increases from one year to the next, making grassland unusable for grazing or mowing. Starting in 2007, Romania implemented the first National Rural Development Program 2007 to 2014. As a result, some farmers began removing shrubs or trees from their grasslands to receive cap payments through direct payments and agri-environment compensatory payments. Unfortunately, due to misunderstandings or lack of proper information, many farmers removed all landscape features from their grasslands, leading to significant negative impacts on biodiversity, soil erosion, and water regulation. For this study, we aimed to evaluate the agri-environmental measures, for example, DR01 agro-environment and climate on permanent grassland, by which areas with too high bush density are cleared mechanically or manually. The studies were carried out in Transylvania, north of Cluj-Napoca, in an area where the locals have chosen as their local brand the name Land of the Blue Butterflies. The region's name originates from the presence of 4 species of the large blue ants, Phengaris, for whose protection special conservation measures have been developed. For this research, we applied the standard study methodology used by partners of the Showcase project. We chose 15 locations where the shrubs have been removed 1 year prior, and 15 locations where the shrub covers is higher than 25 to 30%. We monitored these locations 2 times per year, in May and August. Butterflies were the main monitored group, but we also monitored bees, bumblebees, hoverflies, and plant coverage. Our observations shows that mechanical clearing with forestry mowers is preferable to manual clearing, as the cleared area can be used to mow the vegetation for hay production from the 2nd year onwards. Manual clearing is recommended to reduce scrub encroachment on meadows where it exceeds 25% but has not yet reached 50%. In such cases, manual removal restores the open spaces between the shrubs that are necessary for the development of a variety of plant and animal species, especially insects and birds. The complete removal of shrubs is contraindicated for biodiversity. Maintaining structures in which shrubs occupy 5 to 15% of the grassland and are relatively evenly distributed, or with small, compact areas of shrubs, is the optimal alternative for biodiversity and farmers. On this basis, through the Romanian Society of Lepidopterology, we have proposed 2 agri-environmental packages aimed at the conservation of biodiversity, which have been technically accepted by the Ministry, but have not yet been implemented within the National Strategic Program. These 2 proposed agri-environmental packages include the retention of shrub areas of 15 to 20% of a grassland area as a conservation measure. Our research shows that cutting more than 15 to 20% of shrubs per hectare effectively maintains grassland. This is crucial for farmers as it provides evidence base for the benefits of the law on compensation for shrub removal and demonstrates the positive impact on grassland and its necessity.